Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will build an amazing AI agent on Zapier, and for that absolutely no coding is required. So first of all, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is like a digital assistant that understands a goal, looks at the situation and then takes action on its own to get the work done for you. In tools like Zapier, these agents connect to your app's data, make decisions and then actually perform tasks. I want to build an agent that automatically drafts smart lies. So what it does actually, imagine you have a helper who never sleeps. You tell it, keep my inbox under control. This helper can read your emails, understand what people are asking, look up extra info if needed, and then prepare replies for you to review. That's what an AI agent is. A smart software worker that can observe, think, and act to reach a goal you set. Our email AI agent has one clear job: help you reply faster. When an email arrives, the agent reads the message, checks who the sender is, and studies your previous emails to copy your tone and style. Then it drafts a ready to send reply for you. Instead of starting from a blank screen, you just open email, see a smart draft already written, edit a line or two and hit send. This cuts down minutes per email and can save hours especially if you handle many similar questions. So let's dive on zapier.com. This is the interface. Here you have to log in with your email account. I have already signed in. You have to click agents. Click here, new agent. Here search for automated email reply drafts and select the template. Email auto replier. Use this template. You will be asked to link to your email account. So here I have already connected to my account. In your case, you have to connect with your email account. Then click on create. Here they give you by default prompt. You will be able to modify this prompt. I will use this prompt. The prompt says that when you ask me to reply to emails, I will retrieve all currently and for each email generate a custom draft reply. If available, I will refer to the Google Doc of email response guidelines to tailor the response appropriate. Create a draft reply for each email. Here you have to edit the Gmail. Here this is new attachment and then save. Here the beauty of the Zapier is that you can add 7,000 plus application as AI tools. This case I don't apply anything. Now this agent is ready. You can do agent preview, test the agent. Our agent is testing. Here the testing is completed. See what it says. Perfect. I have successfully created a draft reply to the Boolean contact email. The draft has been created with ID number and is now saved in your mail drafts folder. So let's see in inbox. Now see, Zapier pulls the details and reads the content and generates a smart draft reply. Now easily you can send it. Click here send. It's perfectly work and it's time saving magic for busy inboxes. Right. So that's it guys. Test it live, send yourself an email and watch the magic. Thanks for watching. Hope this streamlines your inbox. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more exciting videos.